Well, I've been a lifelong cheesemaker my whole life. My family was involved in the business, and I really wanted to pursue this passion that I have for having a place for visitors to come and experience not only just cheese making, but all the different varieties of cheese. To also have fine dining with a cheese forward menu. So it's all inclusive in the culinary experiences to be able to have someone come in and see all the things that we have to offer here.
Food here, it's all small plates. The thing is this style of eating, you can eat a little bit of everything. You can get all different textures, different colors, different flavors, different cuisines. It's all about fresh and made to order, as close to service as I can. The beet salad, I have roasted red and golden beets with toasted walnut, saba, which is reduced grape must, and blue cheese. The salmon, New Zealand salmon, lemon zest, parsley, and pine nuts, and golden raisins in like a little salad on the side or on the top. Quite delicious, very simple, straightforward. The pork belly is, I take the braising liquid and reduce it down and put it on a bed of crispy scallions that were soaked in ice water and then dried, and maybe with a little bit of cilantro and sesame. The Mexican street corn is grilled hanger steak, and it's going to be on a bed of Mexican street corn, which is just sautéed real quick with scallions, Parmesan, a touch of mayonnaise, and chili. Right there, boom.